Dead center fairway.
Fuck yeah.
Dead center. Right at the bends.
Let's go, boys. First live shot with a 3-wood, dead center. I want to see how far it went. Let's go. 90 degrees, right? So we gotta go that way. That's at the starter. It said 90 degrees.
Well, looks like that's only in the fairway. We can go over here. We have to be able to drive in the rough.
Looks like everybody else been driving in the rough today.
I know, the fairway.
Oh, it's wet over there. Splish splash. Where's your ball? Oh, right here. Callaway Maverick 3-wood. Yes, sir. You were aiming that way. That's a good shot, though.
A little too much close. Nah, you way left.
What'd you say?
Way left.
Yeah, you aim way left. Yeah, my brother actually bought a whole set of Mavericks, and then
There's the Mavericks irons.
Maverick irons,
6/3 gap wedge.
6/3 gap wedge.
With the driver for like 6/3.
And you got that on Callaway pre-owned?
Yeah.
On Callaway pre-owned, $600. That's a steal. And then I've been waiting for a Rogue 3-wood to come up, and just didn't have it in like the specs that I was looking for. So I said screw it, and I went with the Maverick. So that 3-wood, it didn't register. What's it say on there? 155 to the flag. What was the distance? You got to track it from there. Yeah, it didn't register. So it's 155 to the flag. I'm gonna hit my 8-iron. Got a little bit of wind. Right to left.
You're all right. There you go. That looks good. Oh, short. Fat? Get a nice look at that divot. She thick.
Here's me replacing a divot for the guy who said I don't replace my divots in the comments the other day. That was replacing my divots.
Took out half the fairway.
What'd you say?
Both the tapes are burnt.
What do you mean my divots burnt?
Not burnt.
I just refilled this.
I rolled up one.
It's that pomegranate kiwi. I had to change the flavor. I couldn't taste the other one anymore. Yeah, just sit by the tree. There you are. Windy. It is windy. I was like dead at the flag. That wind definitely took that ball up there. Good shot. Nah, wind's blowing right now, right to left. That the wind definitely took his ball because that was a really good shot. Just the putting. I got this. I'll just set it up. Yeah, my 8-iron was a little fat, landed short of the green here. $25 yards, 20, 30 yards to the 10. See if I fucking slow this. Oh! A little too hard. A little too hard. It's super wet. Look at the side of the pivot on that little tiny chip. I don't know if you saw that chip, but that ball hit the pin. Got a little too much. In the hole. Let's go, Doug. Let's go, Doug. What a par save. All right, let's see how many putts this takes. Let's go. That's some live action. That's what I do, man. Holy crap. Live action of the ball. Bogey.